Welcome back students. In this video, we will see what are the differences between hemoglobin and myoglobin. I am Dr. Sujata Kasabe from ABASAHEB GARWARE College, Pune. Before starting it, please subscribe, like and share the video to get the notification of next video. The links for the other videos are provided below in the description box and also at the end of this video. So let us see what are the differences between hemoglobin and myoglobin. Molecular weight of hemoglobin is 65,000 kilodalton. Molecular weight of myoglobin is 17,000 kilodalton. Hemoglobin has 4 subunits. Myoglobin has 1 subunit. Hemoglobin found in blood. Myoglobin found in muscle. Hemoglobin has oxygen transfer protein. Myoglobin has oxygen storage protein. Hemoglobin supply oxygen from lungs to tissue. Myoglobin supply oxygen from tissue to lungs. Hemoglobin has affinity towards O2 at pH 7.2. Myoglobin has affinity towards O2 at pH 2. Hemoglobin shows cooperative nature. Myoglobin doesn't show cooperative nature. The structure of both hemoglobin and myoglobin shown over here, but hemoglobin has 4 subunits and myoglobin has 1 subunit. So students, thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe the video.